Are you wondering whether or not now is the right time to buy a house? Answer these two questions and you will have all the info you need to make a smart decision about whether you should buy a house. First question, what do you think is happening with home prices? Second question, what do you think is happening with mortgage rates? Let's address the first one. If you think home prices are falling, there's really only about two scenarios where you would consider buying at this point. One scenario is you think prices are near the bottom. It's a good time to get in because they're going to bounce back up. Second thing is you think that interest rates are going through the roof, so it makes sense to buy a house now while prices are falling so you can protect your monthly payment, because even though the prices are going down, if interest rates skyrocket, houses will become less affordable even as they become cheaper to buy. What do you think mortgage rates are going to do? There's a lot of people who disagree on what's going to happen there. But here's a little rule of thumb with mortgage rates. The great thing about mortgage rates is if you think that they're going up and you're wrong, you can always refinance into a lower rate. However, if you think they're going down and you're wrong and you don't get a new mortgage before they start going up, you can't refinance into a lower rate in most cases. If the interest rates, if you believe that they are going to be going up and you believe prices are going to stay the same or go up, it is a good time to buy right now because that house is much more affordable. Your monthly payment is much more affordable before those prices rise. If you believe that rates will be going down, I would caution you about waiting to buy if you think prices are going up or remaining stable. Here's why. If you are wrong and rates actually go up, you could miss your opportunity to get a payment that works for you. However, if down the road you are correct and those rates do fall, that puts you in a great position to refinance and get yourself a lower payment at that point. So the final scenario, if you think that rates are just going to move along stable and you think that values are going to remain stable or go up, it is also safe to buy at that point too, because if those prices are going up and the rates remain the same, that house is going to be more expensive next time you buy it. If the prices are remaining stable and rates remain stable, it makes no difference if you buy now or later. However, if you're wrong, it could cost you in terms of more money for the house and a higher monthly payment if both those things go up. Most experts are saying that they expect prices to continue to rise. Here in Middle Tennessee, we are seeing growth in prices right now. So in the last few years, we had explosive growth of 20, 30, 40% over a couple of years. I'm expecting prices to continue to rise 3 to 5% a year going forward for at least the next few years. If you have specific questions, give me a call or send me a text on our real estate hotline and we'll help you out.